In this guitar lesson, we'll take a look at on how to switch between the G7 and C. So if you haven't had a chance to look at the previous videos on the C chord and the G7 chord, please take a look at that first and then come back to this video. So when transitioning between these two chords, we'll start with the G7. The shapes are similar. Vertical spacing is a little bit different. So G7 is like this, and then C is like that. So when we play G7, into the C. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to do a count of 4. I'll strum just once, and then I will switch in between. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our first exercise. It's just to count the 4 and do some switches. I'm trying to hold the note for at least 3 counts. If you can hold it for 3 counts, that's great. So let's do another one, and then maybe if you're struggling with getting the transition on the first count, try to release the pressure on the 3rd count, and then prep your chord on the 4th. So it'll be like this. So start from the G7. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, you're trying to be as close to the strings as possible when you're doing this. So you don't want to go play a chord and then lift it and then come back, and then lift it and then come back. So try to move your fingers at the same time. Now this is going to take some practice. There's always going to be a lead finger between the two chords. So for me, I feel the lead finger is number 3 here. So if you're going from C to G, this is the first one that goes and carries everything else. It carries the 2nd finger, and then this one, the 1st finger, is just kind of moving down to the 1st string. It's also true for going into C. So the 3rd finger is the lead finger, and then the 2nd follows. So each time you practice this, you're going to play and strum, pressure, release the pressure, and then move your lead finger alongside everybody else after. It's important that you release the pressure on all of the fingers when you're doing this. Okay, so if you're ready for the next challenge, or the next challenging step would be to play 3 strums, and on the 4 you're going to prep, and you're going to silence the strum after that, and then switch. So let's do that. So we're going to start with C. We're going to go G7, C, G7, C. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I just did all just down strums there. And then the last challenging step, depends where you are on your guitar journey. If you're farther along, a little bit more of an advanced beginner or intermediate beginner, you can try and strum that 4th beat as well. So let's do that. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you just take it easy. If you can't do all the beats, try to just focus on one thing at a time, and then your fingers will get better and better with more dexterity and more, I wouldn't say strength, but there's a little bit of strength, not too much. You don't want to press too hard, just more of a dexterous thing than strength. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know someone that can benefit from this information, please send them this video. Till next time, have a good practice.